So hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna be telling you what exactly Sherlock do and how to install it. So roll the intro and let's begin.
If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down.
So guys, the first step you need to do is just head towards the description and click on the first link given. So you will head to this page. So this is the GitHub page of our Sherlock tool. So now I'm going to tell you what exactly Sherlock do. So Sherlock is basically the part of an information gathering. So what Sherlock do is just you put your victim's name or your host name, and it will show all the social media accounts and other accounts on internet of that person to you, so you can gather some information towards the social accounts like Instagram and Facebook. So without any wasting for the time, I'm gonna tell you how to download this. So copy the git clone link and then open your terminal. So and follow my commands. So I'm going to be installing this Sherlock tool on desktop. So I'm going to type git clone space this link and hit enter. So as you can see, it has installed and the folder has appeared on our desktop. So I'm gonna open that folder and let's see what's inside. So the first thing you have to do is install the requirement.txt file. So for that you have to type this command on terminal: python3 space m pip install space -r space your file name and hit enter. So now you're gonna install that and it will take some time. So the time when it's installing, so mine is already satisfied as you can see, but it will take 1 to 2 minutes in your computer because obviously you are installing it the first time. So mine is installed and I've just deleted it, giving you a demonstration. So it says it's already satisfied. So to run this Sherlock tool, you want to simply type this python 3 space Sherlock space hyphen 2 hyphens and then help. So as you can see, that's open. So you can see other things. So type this. So all you're going to do is type this and then hit space and enter your victims or your host name. So I'm going to simply give an example of like saying I will write Bill Gates. And hit enter. So as you can see, it will search almost every social media account, popular social media account and other accounts too, to get that person's ID. So as you can see, there are many. For example, Facebook and Instagram. There are many other, and it will take some time. And till the time it's doing, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And I'm gonna see you when this loading ends.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So as you can see guys, I have ended this program because it will take a lot of time. So and we are not having that much time, and we have already some of the popular like Facebook and Instagram accounts. So we can simply head towards that. So it was my reason I just ended up. So as we can see, we have a Facebook page over here, and we're gonna copy this and paste it over desktop and hit enter. So you can see the Bill Gates page, the page of Bill Gates has loaded up. So as you can see guys, Bill Gates page is loaded up from, we have searched this in number 2. So as you can see guys, it works and you can do this with your webcam and your host. So thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe the video and tell me how did you like the video. So till the time, I'm gonna see you later. Bye bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.